Hey guys, it's me again, Fergie's daughter, and I'm just going to do a little voice over explaining what is going on in these drone footages and where we were. So first of all, I want to apologize for the overexposure on these videos. The sun was out, it was very windy. It was so beautiful, but the drone could not catch the beauty because the sun was so bright, so it was affecting the camera quality. So as you can see, I'm trying to get the beach, I'm trying to get the ocean, I'm trying to get the volcano, but it would not let me be great, guys. So for that, I apologize. You're gonna see a little, probably a lot of exposure in this video, and I apologize again. Okay, so let's continue with the video. Okay, guys, right here, I am trying to get the Nobu hotel. It is owned by a famous celebrity, Robert De Niro, and it's on the Santorini island. As I said before, the camera quality is not doing it any justice to show how beautiful that whole hotel is. But that is Robert De Niro Nobu Hotel on the Santorini island. So you can check it out if you visit there. I mean, we never stayed there, but it was beautiful when we get to see it. I mean, we never went in, but the drone footage did not do it any justice. So continue watching, guys. Guys, so this is me and my mom. You can see she's waving at the drone. That's me, my mom, and the our driver that was taking us around at all the beautiful spots in Santorini. And right now I'm going to show you the up-close version of the Nobu Hotel that is owned by Robert De Niro. Guys, it's beautiful. The camera is not doing it any justice. So beautiful from the outside looking in, and what we got on the drone footage, it was very beautiful. Okay, guys. Hey guys, so after we left the Nobu Hotel, we went to a beach. I think it's called the Red Beach, where the sand there is red. But I tried to get some good footages from there, but it was so windy and I was scared to send the drone up. Did not want the breeze to take away my drone. No way, Jose. So this was after we left the Red Beach, and I was in a spot where I could send up the drone, so I got a little bit of footage. I'm not sure how much of it, but you can check it out. And also, guys, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about the exposure. It was so bright over there. The sun was beaming, the sun was out, and it was windy, so I had to be careful because I did not want the breeze to take away my drone. Okay? Enjoy. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I'm not sure if you can see, but if you look below, you can see the red beach. That's where all the tourists goes to. It's a good walk from where we parked to get there. It's a good amount of walk. You have to walk all the way around. We didn't do all of that. We stopped and we take pictures, we take videos. But yeah, that was the famous red beach. Hey guys, so we are coming to the end of the video, and I want to tell you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you. Bye bye.